Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. I had told in one of my previous vlogs that my indoor plants are doing well and I did have few cuttings placed in water. Time for replanting those into soil. I recently bought this glass pot or vase and I thought it would look good to be placed on the table like a centerpiece. Bought these deco stones to add to make it look even better. I had this philodendron plant that looks very beautiful with those green leaves which looks almost like plastic. You can see the roots have come. This one I'll be placing in the glass pot. The rest of the plants will be in soil. Many of you might know this, but just showing for beginners. If you need to plant more of these, and this also goes for money plants too, just look out for roots that's growing and it's in the joints. It's easy to find. Just give a cut there. Show you more. This is another one. Same way, roots will start growing from here. Okay. So I got these many cuttings and we'll place these in water again for the roots to come, and once it comes we'll place those in soil. Now I have few other plants that were placed in water the same time the other one was kept. You can see the roots have come. These will go directly into the soil. Now if you remember, I had hung spider plant in our dining area, but unfortunately those dried out and didn't go well. But had the pots and soil in it. Added some water and the soil is wet now. Placing these rooted leaves into the soil. The money plants are also planted the same way. Now let me show you how you make the cuttings. Take a stem with few leaves. You can easily see the tiny roots in the joints. Give a cut and that becomes one. Same way, do the rest. Now place all these in a bottle or glass and pour water. Same way goes for pathos or the money plant. Last Thursday had gone to Ikea. This was not planned ahead, just a weekend outing, and ended up at Ikea. Wanted to check the new store, and they have their unique style of presenting their products that we just fall in love with the place. We get a lot of ideas from the way they have organized. I just love the quality of a stainless steel pot I have that was bought from Ikea. I do have 3 of these to store tea, coffee and sugar. This is one beautiful cup and they have more of the same in plates and trays. So many of you had asked about this chopping board. Here it is. Let me show you a few of what I bought from Ikea. These bowls were really in need for me, so got 2 of them. And these plates for regular use. Couldn't resist and bought 2 of these cups. I bought this thinking of making it a plant pot, but that finally ended up in my kitchen as cutlery holder. Few more products. These are really not very new from Ikea, but I wanted these for my apartment or my kitchen. I blindly bought this thinking it's for separating egg yolk and egg white, but saw the picture behind and it shows to be a scoop. A floor mat for my kitchen, and these are table mats. Something I really needed was an organizer for my kids' wardrobe. However I fold and keep it neat, it ends up to be a mess. Bought 2, one for Arman and the other for Rihan. Now the coming clips were taken on a weekday when I prepared a simple yet delicious meal for my family. As it was a weekday, there was school and office. I took some rest after sending them off, so the sink will be full after breakfast. And I don't bother to clean it up soon. I wake up too early that I need a break after they leave. I start to prepare food by around 11 am. Prepared tomato rice, and this is not the same way how my mom used to prepare in my childhood. We'll show that some other time. I don't think my kids will enjoy that, so barely make it. Just coat the tomatoes and put in hot boiling water for some time. It might be not very easy to peel off the skin this way, so you may boil the tomatoes for 3 or 4 minutes. If you're wondering where I bought this box from, I haven't still removed the price tag and I know it's a bit weird. And this is from Ramez. Along with tomato rice, I'm also preparing a side dish with chicken. And even for the tomato rice, we'll need ginger and garlic. So I have crushed it together. So for the chicken, here I've used 1.5 kilo boneless chicken that's cut in medium size. To this goes in 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, Around quarter teaspoon turmeric powder just for a color. 2 tablespoon corn flour. Half teaspoon crushed black pepper. Just a little bit of salt and mix really well. Some of you had told me that we get liners for air fryer. You need to get them soon as the baking paper didn't go well because the chicken was stuck to the paper after frying. For the rice, you need to blend the peeled tomatoes along with 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Here I've used 3 cups basmati rice, wash and drain. I actually didn't soak the rice, I just drained it after washing. Preparing the rice and chicken parallelly. Heat some ghee in a pressure cooker. To that will go some spices, 4 cardamoms, 1 star anise, a small cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, half teaspoon black peppercorns, half teaspoon cumin seeds, a small piece mace. Add to the ghee. Meanwhile, heat some coconut oil in a clay pot, and this is to prepare the chicken. After a few seconds, saute 1 large onion slice. In here goes shallots. I took around 6 in number, chopped and saute for a minute on medium flame. To this goes in 1 tablespoon crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon crushed ginger. Saute till the raw smell goes. Here again goes 1 tablespoon crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon crushed ginger. Saute till the raw smell goes. Add few curry leaves. Once the onion is soft, add the blended tomato and give a mix. Now this needs to cook on low flame for 3 or 4 minutes. Meanwhile, do not wash the blender. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut powder along with 1 cup water and keep aside. Now instead of this, you can add 1 cup coconut milk as such. Into this pot goes some 3 green chilies, that's slit. And then add the air fried chicken. If you don't have an air fryer, you can shallow fry the chicken pieces and use the same oil for preparing the dish. Then to this goes in 1 cup coconut milk, check salt and add if needed. Boil for 30 seconds on medium flame and it's ready. Back to the tomato, add the coconut milk that was blended in the jar. Then goes 3 more cups of water. Add some salt, some chopped coriander leaves and few mint leaves. Once it starts boiling, add the drained basmati rice. Mix. Cover the cooker, lock the pressure. Once the steam starts coming or the first whistle comes, reduce the flame to very low and cook for 5 minutes. A simple salad with cucumber, carrot and curd. Once the pressure is completely released, open the lid and let it sit for 5 minutes. Only then give a mix with a fork. And thus the delicious lunch. So that's all for today's video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do try the rice and chicken. Send me your feedback because I love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.